BindAsync is a second method for custom binding of parameters. The first one, try parts, is good for cases where the items are available in a single string, most ideally as in a query string or a header value or a route segment. But if we need a greater control over the binding process, then a more robust parameter such as the HTTP context is more suitable, and the BindAsync method, it does exactly that. It provides a signature that contains HTTP context as a parameter. Let's have a look at the web API that we shall use for this tutorial. Open the Solution Explorer of the project attached to this video. You can find this project in the attached downloads. Locate the program.cs file and double click to open it. Scroll to the part that you are seeing here. This is a get API, and it is the same API that we discussed in the previous tutorial on binding with the try_parse method. And in this tutorial too, we shall be binding a query string of 3 separated coordinates into a parameter of a custom class called myPoint. If the binding fails, which can be ascertained from a none, not a number, on any one of the x, y or z parameters, the API returns a 404 error, otherwise it returns 200 OK. And next we have to add a BindAsync function to the class myPoint. It has to be a static function that returns a value task. If you are new to a value task, then you can think of it as an optimized task. And for more, you can refer one of the previous tutorials where I have explained value task and task in greater clarity. Open the Solution Explorer and locate the myPoint.cs file and double click to open it. This class has 3 data members x, y and z, and after that we have added the BindAsync function. This function uses the HTTP context parameter to extract the string contained in a query string parameter p. The remaining code does the parsing and returns a value task of the parsed instance. Put a breakpoint on the return statement so that